Raindrops suddenly fall on the roof. I'm driving fast and wondering if I was the one who ruined it. Career, relationship, everything is gone. Only ruins from my words, from my deeds remain. I told myself I had it under control, but now I know I failed. In the rain that falls on my window, I only see the traces I have left. It was my decision, my fault. Now I just listen to the sound of my end. Disappears in the darkness of the night, just as my hopes disappear. With every drop that falls, I feel myself sinking deeper. There's no turning back, there's no way to fix. I told myself I had it under control, but now I know I failed. In the rain that falls on my window, I only see the traces I have left. It was my decision, my fault. Now I just listen to the sound of my end. Only silence and the sound of wipers, which are uselessly wiping away the rain. I won't call, I won't cry anymore. I won't bring back what's gone. My voice is taking my breath away, and my hand is trembling. It's not tears falling on my face, only rain. Control of the drive, like a puppet that has torn its strings. I continue to live, but I'm missing my heart. I'm just waiting to be buried in the mud.